Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I touched a nerve.
Laugh it up. Real fun.
I'd like to see if this is
On a what if?
Okay, that's it.
Wait, some.
We finally found the kitty's owner.
You did?
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Mater, let's go. You're on.
David, my...
Bentornati, amici, Guido Luigi, sono... gentlemen. Sheriff?
Hey, Sheriff.
You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco, always a win.
Oh, right. Wooden brake locks. How could I forget? All with all...
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Lizzie? Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Oh, man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong?
My lucky sticker's all dirt.
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you breathing?
Te doy los de nieve.
¡Mate! Entonces estos tractores de...
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one selling?
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You have...
¡Ahí va!
Ahí va de regreso.
¿Se pasó?
There's a whole lot more to racing than just winning.
pasa? ¿Se dan por vencido? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más veloz?
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
What do you have at your store?
I have gas.
Responding. Where's Vader? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad.